Holden uthi uphenyo lwabo lwadalula ukuthi inkontileka zombuso ezathintwa ukugwamandwa kwamandla ombuso noma inkhohlakalo zibalelwa kumabhiliyoni angaphezulu kwama-90 zamarandi.
And the first number I want to ask you to report to the chair is the total amount paid by the state in contracts that were tainted by state capture according to your investigations.
The number is 49,157,323,233 rand and 68.
Kube sekuthintwa udaba lenkampani ebizwa nge-Innova Management Solutions neyayisegameni lomunye umuntu kepha kubukeka sengathi yayiphethwe isikhulu seinkampani zomndeni wakwa Gupta uSalim Esa. Umnyango wezolimo wase-Free State wakhokhela lenkampani izigidi zamarandi ngesikhathi umosebenzizwane esengamele lomnyango.
We have totals at the bottom here from which we can see that of the 12,492,500 rand that was paid to Tebo, an amount of 9,390,350.89 was transferred from Tebo to Innova.
Le mali yabe isidluliselwa einkampanini zomndeni wakwa Gupta eyithile.
What we have here at table 14, which should be on the screen now, is a description of the way in which a total amount of 8.9 million rand was paid to Aero Haven Trading, which is obviously a well-known Gupta enterprise company by Innova Management, and that happened in the course of 3 separate transfers.
Lesicau siyaqhubeka.
January 2016.